I've tried lots of different ways to help myself. Most days, I'm just struggling for balance. My name is Iseya, a student of the École de Band School and a member of the New Hope Nation. Hearing the rush of the water, like the veins of the earth flowing, I'm drawn to it, like a moth to a flame. Still, when it comes to the work, the effort, I always have a pit in my stomach. But when I'm out there on that canoe, that is what brings me to life. I go under, feel that rush, and I come out in a different reality. A reality where the worries of yesterday just don't matter. In that reflection, it's like meeting myself again for the first time. I've figured out the best way to help myself is to drink in all of these experiences, all of the friendship and all of the connections. Keep writing down that list of failures, challenges, and successes. I'll relentlessly weather my path, nurture my saplings, and hope that the small stone of my life will ripple on forever. Those teachings can be found in the most secret knowledge keeper of the universe. Water.